Hello everyone, my name's Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio, and today we're going to be talking about how to connect your wireless microphone to your audio system. So we get this question quite often about how to connect your wireless mic to an audio system. So first I want to talk about the basic components of an audio system, which include some kind of mixer amplifier or a combination of an amplifier with a mixer. Here we have in front of us a mixer amplifier that's on our product line. You also need speakers. That's where the basis of your sound system kind of originates from to get audio into a space. So when you're speaking into a microphone, it's got to project out of something, and that's your speakers. So you have your amplifier, your speakers, speaker wire connected, and then maybe you have a component like a wireless microphone for events or presentations. Here in front of us, I have our WMS1 wireless microphone, Pure Resonance Audio, and then this is the wireless microphone receiver that comes with this product. This is the amplifier, which is a separate piece of equipment. This is where my audio sources go into and then project over your loudspeakers. You also have a simple patch cable here in front of us, how we're going to get it connected from the wireless mic receiver to this mixer amplifier. And so basically on a wireless mic receiver, there's going to be an output. And so you got to get the signal out into this piece of equipment in order for it to work. And so what you're looking for is an output on this device. Ours happens to be an XLR. And so basically all you have to do is connect a female XLR into the male XLR here. The other side is going to be the male side that plugs into the mic input of this amplifier. So at that point you're connected, so you're able to get this signal into the amplifier, which is then amplified over your speakers. And so that's the basics. All equipment is not the same, so your inputs may be different on your amplifier or your mixer. It may be bare wire, it may be a 1/4 inch, it may be an XLR. Same thing with the receiver, they're all different. It could be a number of different things. So if you have any questions about this, please let us know. We can help you if you have different equipment and you're trying to incorporate our equipment with something that's not our brand. We can certainly help you with that. So give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, thanks for joining us today.